So now that summer's over, it's time to get your ride looking fresh again. It already went through the touchless, and that's what we're left with. We're gonna use HydroSilex ceramic waterless wash to get the rest of the job done. So here's a quick tutorial. What you're gonna need is HydroSilex ceramic waterless wash and 2 clean microfiber towels. And you may go through more towels depending on how dirty the surface is, but you're just gonna spray it directly onto the panel. Use it a little liberally, depending on the amount of dirt. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take one wipe, and as you wipe, you're gonna roll the palm of your hand. So that way the dirt kind of goes to the back of the towel, right? Then you're gonna flip to a clean side and repeat. If you need to add some more spray, you're welcome to do so. Don't worry about the excess residue. We're gonna hit that with the second towel to make sure that the panel is completely glossy. The most important thing is that you're constantly flipping your towel so that way you do not grind the dirt into the surface. And you can see already it's looking great. One more once over. And at this point, you're gonna actually buff it into the surface so that you get that nice finish. Make sure to not use much pressure. You really shouldn't need much. Even though there's lubricants in this formula, you really don't need to grind the dirt into the paint. And that's it. There you go. Head over to the website now and get 15% off your HydroSilex ceramic waterless wash.